So it's been about 1 year since I've jumped out of a plane. Of course, I'm talking about the most epic experience of my life, skydiving. And we briefly mentioned it in one of our videos, the 30 before 30 list, but I never really went into detail of everything I was feeling and my whole thought process throughout it. So today we're gonna go over everything and of course the 5 phases of fears that I felt before skydiving, and I'm gonna describe the entire experience for you guys so you can decide if it's something you want to do for yourself or not. So hopefully this video inspires you to go skydiving yourself, and yeah, let's get right into it. All right, about to go skydiving. All right, so excited for this.
You guys want to be in the video together for the first
DC Skydiving Center. What's your name?
I'm Ramon.
Samantha.
And what are you about to do?
I'm about to go skydiving, man. Jump from the sky. It's always been my dream, so about to make it happen for my 30th birthday, and no more pushing it off. Today's the day we face our fears.
This is an awesome way to celebrate. You already did it. What'd you think, Sam?
Amazing, amazing.
Pretty incredible, right?
I was so nervous, and then for nothing, because it was so much fun.
Any last minute advice for this guy?
Don't overthink it. Don't just jump. Don't overthink it. And look for fun.
All right, high five you two. Happy birthday to you both. We'll see you out there, Ramon. Woo!
All right, so the first phase of fear actually begins with booking your skydiving session. After you buy the ticket and reserve a time, this is the first big leap in actualizing the experience. So at this point, I was super pumped and excited, but it was far enough in the future that I wasn't too worried about it. The second phase of fear actually begins the night before your jump. So this is when the anxiety begins to creep in and it starts to settle in that you're actually going to jump out of a plane. So expect a restless night. Maybe you won't get too much sleep, and you will have a little bit of worry and anxiety, but you'll get through it. And just make sure to try to get as much sleep as you can and just wear yourself out so you're not too worried about it. Phase of fear begins the day of your scheduled skydiving jump. You're either going to feel super anxious or you're going to be extremely exhilarated and energized. I know I was listening to like a lot of hype music, hype myself up, and I was super excited. My wife, of course, was doing the jump with me, was super freaking out, so I was trying to calm her down as much as I can. The fourth phase of fear is your turn to jump. So when you are watching people jump out of the plane and when you're setting up all your gear and going through the safety experience, I feel like is when the peak anxiety and peak panic sets in. This is like when it starts settling, like you're actually gonna jump out of a plane. So it's a mix between feeling super excited and scared. But once you're headed up there on the plane, you see some amazing views, and it's kind of the no turning back point, so you just got to go through with it. And the final phase of fear actually happens seconds before the jump. Before you roll out, you feel this pit in your stomach and you just feel this mix of anxiety and regrets, but it all happens so quick. As soon as they open the door, you feel that rush of wind and there's no time to process anything. Absolutely everything's happening so fast, and before you know it, your instructor pushes you out the door and you're just rolling into the sky, and all the fear is gone. At that moment, you feel a complete rush of euphoria just flow through your entire body as you see the curvature of the earth and all the land below you is extremely beautiful, man, and it's got to be one of the best feelings in the entire world, man. Like, there's nothing else like that moment. No more fear. It's just complete euphoria for the moment, and you're just intensely present, and you're just so grateful that you're there, and it's such a relaxing feeling. You don't even feel like you're falling because it's just a bunch of wind pressure just pushing you up, and it's a great feeling. So definitely an experience of a lifetime that I'll never forget.
All right, you guys both made it down to the ground safe and sound. What'd you think?
Amazing. Best experience. So much euphoria when you're up there. It's like, I have no words, man. You just got to do it. And I'm going to do it again because it's so crazy.
And you'll do it again too, Sam?
Yes, I'll do it.
Yeah. Hey, I'm glad you guys both loved it so much. Give me some high fives.
Hell yeah,
Thank you for
man.
coming to jump with us
So
at
much.
DC Skydiving.
Peace out. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed some insights into our epic skydiving experience. And yeah, I know it's a little bit of a different video than our usual travel stuff, but I wanted to mix it up a little bit, you know, share some insights, and just in case you guys are a little bit afraid or preemptive about going skydiving, I absolutely 100% recommend doing it, and I hope I inspired you guys to go and do it and face your fears. So don't worry, once you do it, you're definitely gonna want to do it again. Like, I'm hopefully trying to do it in Dubai because that looks like an epic place to do it. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video, and yeah, be sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments below, are you gonna try skydiving after this, or if this inspired you to do it. So anyway, hope you guys can keep doing it, keep traveling, keep thinking different, and I'll see you later. Peace out.